Freezing in Westwood, we don't give a fuck. Never a night just for the two of us. Wish for my timing for good or bad luck. My car got locked in the parking garage. We took an Uber straight to your home. We lay together but never too close. You know I want you, I need you the most. But we both know we gotta put it on hold. Love is an easy thing to worry about, romanticizing every moment aloud. My heart will cave in with my head in the clouds. We don't got no time for that. Down the road if everything is alright, let me know and I will follow your light. I'm taking care of all the hearts in my life. We don't got no time for that, yeah. On the way to see my mama, on my way to see my. On the way to see my mama, on my way to see my. On the way to see my mama, on my way to see my. On the way to see my mama, on my way to see my. On the way to see my mama, on my way to see my. On the way to see my mama, on my way to see my. On the way to see my. Every night you're reminded of the love that we drowned. Memories in the back of an cloud account. We made this up a lot, so think that I'm finding out that though we don't talk no more, I'm hoping you're better now. I know it didn't end the way we saw it going down, and we're wanting different things, but if you're turning back around, then I'm turning back around. Cause I still see you like that through those rose-colored lenses. Red wine in a backpack, string lights and white picket fences, blue skies, bright brown eyes. Wish I could let it die. I still see you like that. I still see you like that. On the way to see my mama, on the way to see my. On the way to see my mama, on the way to see my. On the way to see my mama, on the way to see my. On the way to see my mama. On the way to see my mama, on the way to see my. On the way to see my mama, on the way to see my. On the way to see my mama, on the way to see my. On the way to see my mama, yeah. Lately this smoke don't get me high. I've given up all my friends and all my time. A pretty face never mattered to me. It's nothing like the one I see in my dreams. So I'ma hit the lights and go to sleep. Yeah, yeah. So sick and tired of this place I'm in. Too many hours in this basement. These paper walls don't change. Most nights just fade away, and I'm so sick and tired of this basement. Introverted, keeping these thoughts to myself, but I'm not hurting. I'm keeping my feelings on the shelf. Every time I go outside, anxiety makes me blind. Can't keep hiding. I don't know why, I just can't find myself. So sick and tired of this place I'm in. Too many hours in this basement. These paper walls don't change. Most nights just fade away, and I'm so sick and tired of this basement. So sick and tired of this place I'm in.